Hello friends, welcome to Technical World. Today in this video we will discuss how we hide apps in any iOS device without jailbreak. Before start, please subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. On the home screen of any iOS device, I'm going to hide FaceTime and Camera app. For that we have to go to Setting, then we have to go to Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions, then tap on Allow Tabs and hide FaceTime and Camera. Now we are going back to home screen. There is no Camera and FaceTime app. With this simple and easy method, we can hide any app in any iOS device. If you want to get back these two apps, the same, go to Setting, go to Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap Allow Apps, FaceTime, turn on FaceTime and Camera app. FaceTime and Camera app is back. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.